Dear students, I'm sorry I can't be there with you, but I want to show you how to use the new AI, and this is what you're going to be using in class today. So if you go to the calendar, you're going to see where it says www.flint12k12.com. Click on it, and you're going to sign in. What the cool thing is, you've already been set up for this, so you sign in with your Google account. So I'm going to sign in with mine, and you're going to see a whole bunch of stuff here, yeah? So what I want you to do is go to whatever class you're in. Now, yours will show you the classes you're currently in. It'll say honors, chemistry honors, B or A1, A2, etc. But if you click on honors, it'll show you the ones that are in your section. So really quickly, I want you to do both 2.2 and 2.3. So I'm going to show you how 2.2 works. When you click in, it's going to talk to you here a little bit, and it's going to be like, hey, watch this video. And so in the future we're going to be watching videos here. If you should have already watched this video, and remember you have to take notes on videos as well still, but if you click on this, it'll take you right to the video wherever we're at. You can watch the video, but we're not going to do that right now. But then when you get done, it says once you've watched it, it'll ask you a few questions, see what you grasp. Let's explore this tiny universe of atoms together, and you can talk to it as if you were talking to anyone else. Again, it is the next level AI. So you can either type stuff in or you can respond to it. So I can be like, let's get started. I actually want to use my microphone. So let's get started. And you're going to see it's going to ask me a question. So I'm going to describe stuff here. And like as you go through, I'm going to be like, how does the video describe atoms? Atoms are super big. And clearly that's not the greatest piece of information I could have given it. And then it's like, no, they're actually incredibly small, and that allows me to try again. I'm going to be like, bloop, because I am that level of not so smart, and it's going to kind of walk my way through it. Now, when you actually answer something that's reasonable, it'll move you on to the next thing. When you get done, over here in the corner, you're going to see where it says submit session. And so what'll happen is you submit your session, it'll kind of rank you and give you a grade and it's going to take up to 2 minutes. So I'm going to try not to take that much time to explain it. But the key is that you can unsubmit and keep on going if you want to get a better score on it. I'm going to be grading your AI sessions out of 10, even though they're out of 11. And not shockingly, they gave me a grade of 2. My strength is that I showed enthusiasm. Did I really, though? I'm not sure. But then it tells me other stuff. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to do your Command Control Shift 4, and then you're going to drag the screen so I see which one you're doing and your score. And then this is what you're going to release and put into formative. The formative, now we're going to have a space where you can put in I'm not going to go to it right now, but actually I will, why not? You can scroll down the bottom. It's going to say, please upload a screenshot of your FlintAI score for 2.2. So I need to see that entirety of the screen. If you just show me, and I'll show you a couple of the responses I had from previous kids. If you just show me this, and we were to take a look on this right here on the side, it's not really telling you very much about the video. This right here, it's great. It tells us what the score was on that, but it did not tell me which video you were watching. So be careful on that. These poor kids were the guinea pigs when we were first starting, so ignore them. But hopefully this is helpful. Remember, for today's class, you're going to be following what the sub says, but you can always go back to the original AI that we're in, and you can restart, or you can follow along as you wish. So hopefully this has been helpful.